today we are not playing any games or doing any animation or doing any random stuff. But today we are making slime. Yes. This slime is from Boom Chems, which you can get from Amazon. Well, I'll tell that all of that stuff at last. First, let's make this slime. Let me get it. So we have a washable school glue, 2 bowls with 1 bowl including some colorants. Take that out. Then we have 2 sticks. Where the other stick? We have 2 sticks. Then a spoon. Well, yeah, spoon. Colorants, obviously. A measuring cup and some slime making powder / sodium tetraborate. Too complicated stuff. Let's go. And this is garbage. So let's just throw it out. Actually, you know what? What if I make some mistakes? So we need the thing back. So to start off, we need some glue. 10 ml of glue in it. So let's measure it. And before I start, how can I forget? Subscribe to my channel, okay? If you don't subscribe or like, there'll be a creepy little spider coming into your house and eating everything. So subscribe! Oh my god! Okay, let's start. Too much of chit-chatting. 10 ml of glue. Now this is gonna be tough. Okay, 10 ml, 10 ml. Need more, need more, need more. And that's 10 ml, 10 ml. Okay, that is enough. Now let's just close it. And now we have to put it in this bowl. Oop. Wow, that is, yeah, enough. Just scrape everything off. Just scrape it. Yeah. Come on, get out. Get out, you gluey substance. Scrape everything out. Oh my god, this is sticking to the measuring cup. Wow. Just keep on scraping, keep on scraping, keep on scraping. Come out! Come out! Well, this will take a lot of time. So, you know what? Let's skip forward. Okay, I might have put some more color in. Well, who cares? I'll just add a little bit more color into it. I was like testing if this color works, and yep, it works. So whatever, just add a little more purple. Yeah, that much purple is enough. Whatever. And now we need to add the blue. Okay, wait, let me just clean this off. Okay, I'll just add this blue over here. Come on, come out, come out, come out. Yeah, whatever. And now some glitter. Yes, now that's more like it. Now let's just mix it. Oh, look at that. It looks like a total galaxy. Look at that. Mix, 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 mix. Wow, that looks cool. Oh, that looks cool. Wow, that looks like galaxy and all stuff. Oh, look at that. Looks like stars and all in space. Well, just keep on mixing, it says. Just keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keeps on mixing. Come on. Mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. I think I'm done with mixing, right? I guess not. Let's just keep on mixing. Keep on mixing for 1 hour. Yes. Oh my god. Mix, 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 mix. I'm done mixing, I guess. Well, I'll just mix just more 30 seconds. Yeah, and then I'll make it done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm done mixing. And well, forget. I'll just keep that here. Now, we will keep this aside. And now, time for this thing. So I need to put this. How much? Well, 1/4 teaspoon of this into this. So, well, handy dandy scissors. I'll be right back. Come on, handy dandy scissors. Yes, scissors. And kids, be careful with scissors. They are sharp. So, I'll just cut this off and measure it in this spoon for 1/4, which is this spoon. Oh, this looks like salt, but it's not. Okay, that much is enough. Keep that there, and that much we added. Now this is where it gets dangerous. If you are not, if you are a kid and you don't know how to do this, you're probably watching this. Well, you need adult supervision for this, but I am big enough to do without adult. Now we need some hot water, not boiling water, but hot. And we need to put 15 ml of it. So let's take that. It's hot, but not that hot. So let's take 15 millimeter of hot. I just dropped some. Who cares? 15 millimeter and done. And now we pour it in this. Whoa, okay. And that we do. And now let's mix it with this one. Just mix it until the whole thing gets dissolved. I'll have to keep on mixing till it gets dissolved. Do I need more of this thingy? I don't know. Should I put more or should I not? I'll put a little. No, they said one. Whatever. Just mix, 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 mix. I'll put it a little bit more. It's gonna be very weird. Come on, come on. Okay, that much is enough. No more. We'll just keep that here. And now mix. I have to wait till it gets dissolved. So let's jump forward. Is it done? God, it's taking 1 year for it to dissolve. And what is this green thing? I'll just get it out. Come on. Oh, yeah. Mix, 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 mix. 1 year later, we are finally done. God, it took 1,000 years. Felt like 1,000 years. So now we are done. Now let's pour this thing into this. But before that, I'll just mix this a little bit more. So you know, because all the glitter went down, it sedimented, and you know, chemistry stuff, whatever, who cares. So now I need to pour this in here. It'll become thicker and thicker slowly. I can already feel it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's already reacting to it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's already happening. Okay. Should I add more? Okay, I'll add a little bit more. I won't add too much because it will fill the whole thing, which I have no space for. Wow, it's happening. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Galaxy slime is happening. More looks like purple slime, but who cares? Okay, now I think the time is coming for my hands to get messy a little bit. But first, yeah, now that's slime, okay. Need to mix it more and more and more. Come on. Okay. Stop sticking to this thing. Oh my. Whoa. It instantly reacted to the thingy. Like I just poured a little bit and it already became like slimy stuff. Now I just need to, I guess, pour more. I need more space. This teeny tiny bowl won't work. Oh God. Should I bring more space? Yeah, this bowl doesn't work. I need to stay more. So, well, I'll be right back. Wow, so slimy. I'll just keep that here and run. So now we have got the bowl and time to pour this into this bowl. Whoa, come on. Okay, now that's okay. We just get all of this out. Okay, now I have more space to mix and I can just do this. Mix, 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 mix. I guess I need a little bit more of this. Let's not make it too thick, or that be bad. Wow, it's. Oh, now it's forming. Oh yes, it's forming. Oh, look at that, guys! Look at it. Look at it. It's forming. The slime's forming. Should I add more? It's not sticking to my hand. It's not sticking to my hand. Look at that. It's not sticking. Just mix it more. I guess I am done. Well, I'll just take this out. And now time to put my hand into it. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa. Oops. Fell down. Whoa, it's not sticking. And wow, that slime is kind of cool. I'll just take its parts out. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Wow, it just came out. Okay. Oh, look at that. Should I add a little bit more? Because I feel it's a little bit liquidish. I'll add a little bit more of this thing. Okay, that much is enough. And now let's just mix it with this. Oh, our slime has formed. And it looks like, you know, amoeba. That chemistry microorganism thingy. Okay, let's not talk about it. That's weird. I just need to mix. Now that I am done, and slow is the slime. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Whoa, it's kind of sticky, but then it still comes out. Whoa, wait, let me take it out. And voila, we are done. Okay, we are kind of done. Whoa, it's still sticking a little bit. So I think I need to add a little bit more of the thingy. Whoa. Okay, so, well, now we have slime. Oh, yes, I wanted that to happen. So we are done. Look at that. Look at it. So cool. And it's still stretchy, but it's there because it's soft. Like I can add a little bit more afterwards, but still, hey, it's slime formula now, and my hands are so sticky. Just, hey, you know that satisfying things which they do in what do you call those videos? Want to see that? See this. That is satisfying. And well, we are done. And thank you guys for watching this video. Well, talking about this, you can get this from Amazon. Links in the description. So go check it out. And I bought it for some 200 something, 299 rupees, whatever. So if you want this